Whole life insurance is really interesting. And the reason for it, and it's not a very common, one of the reasons for it is because it's not very common. There's not a lot of companies out there that do whole life insurance. But what permanent whole life and participating insurance is it's an opportunity to invest a small amount, a small premium, monthly, yearly, however you choose to do it. But what happens is that as it is an entire insurance policy with a large corporation, what happens is then that it has an opportunity to reinvest. So you're going to be issued a dividend every year. That dividend can be paid out to you. That dividend in cash. That dividend can be set up in essentially a savings account in that life insurance policy. Or it also can be set up in a way that's called paid up additions. And what that means is that it's going to be constantly reinvesting back in the policy. So for no extra premium, you're actually going to end up getting more insurance. And that's actually going to be quite a substantial advantage for you. For example, I'll use myself. I purchased a policy, a life insurance policy, for roughly about $25 a month. That policy is about $18,000. But because it's constantly reinvesting, by the time I'm 60 or so, that policy is actually going to be worth about $65,000 in terms of a death benefit. So what that means is that, yes, I'm submitting that premium, that $25 a month from now on until I pass, but in the meantime, that cash values are actually starting to accumulate, and the dividends, the paid up dividends, are actually starting to increase the value of the policy. Now, I mentioned cash value, and that's another really important part about permanent whole life insurance. When you're looking at permanent whole life, you're developing a cash value. Cash value is really important because instead of renting a policy, you actually are investing in something that you could use as collateral, you could cash out down the road. So if you're ready to think about your permanent life insurance needs and you're not sure where to start, then give me a call, 204-955-2879, or send me an email, eku@ekumalcolm.com. I look forward to working with you. Have a great day.